2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.